Hello, welcome back to another Acrobat video. In this one, I'd like to look at some options I put here on the left-hand side, which are adding text and also adding image. I'd also like to add headers and footers here. So what we'll do is we'll make sure we have headers and footers in there as well. So we save that. You can see now we've basically got adding text, adding image, visible page area, adding header and footer. I don't actually like that one, the way that is. So what I'll do is I'll put this guy up here. So what we'll do then is, say we want to have a new page on the second page here. Add in a page, insert page, blank page after, and here is our new page. So what can we do on the page here? Well, we can do text boxes. So once we do text, it takes you into the edit menu. So let's close that, and then we can see we've got a bit more space to work with. So in the edit menu, so yeah, it's kind of interesting. The edit menu basically knocks the toolbar to the right-hand side. This is actually a wall here on the left-hand side, so you can't actually move it beyond that. That might be an interesting way to do things. So from here you can see I can draw my text box, and then once we click on the text box, we actually have access to everything. So we can do our favorite fonts. So, okay, so we made the text, right? It's worth pointing out though, we've got select and pan. Let's look at pan. So pan is just going to do that. Let's say exit this menu. So you'll notice that once we go out of the menu, we basically can't do anything. And this is kind of quite common and quite a lot of people when they're using Acrobat, they're not used to it from Word because they think, oh, I just want to get rid of this text. And then things like that happen. You get like strike through. That is not the right way to do it. You always have to make sure that you're in the right area. So once you go in here, then you're able to do it. So essentially, that's the way you have to look at it. I want to change this text. I don't just jump in and press backspace, even though the cursor is doing that. I make sure I press this button. Then I jump in and do my edits, right? So then you ask yourself, well, if that is the case, why am I actually in? What is the point of even being able to select this text? And the answer is it's purely for copying. So for instance, I could copy with the formatting. Well, the way to paste it is actually quite straightforward. All you have to do is you click on the text tool, and I decided I want to paste this text over here. So what I'm going to do is just right click and draw my text box. As I let go of the button, I get the option to actually paste the text in. So that is the way that you would actually, if you wanted to copy and paste it. So just to do that one more time, we want to copy this text now. We're going to make sure we copy it. We're going to click on the text box. We'll go down to our area that we want it to be. Right click, draw our text box, hit paste.